everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 13th to the 17th of May 2024 on Monday. Nkunzi gets a surprise visitor seeking the whereabouts of Nomkhosi. One of his insizwa has caught feeling while Prince is dealing with the serious problems. Mzamo throws his weight around at K-Mesh while Mondli's attitude isolates him on Tuesday. Nonka questions Hau's intentions for helping the Klaba out. Mzamo gets slapped with a written warning for using K-Mesh FM to advance his personal gain on Wednesday. Nkunzi slips through an eye of an eagle when Nomkhosi's phone is found on a boy. DK has raised the money to buy the guns, but Mondli wants more information. Geja and Noktula persist in searching for Nomkhosi on Thursday. While Ginji and Mamlambo hope for a miracle, Olwetu learns that divine intervention saved her life, and Skitty and Pefeni turn the heat up literally for the squatters on Friday. The early bird catches the worm. There is a light at the end of the tunnel for the Klabas. Sakile leaves feeling the tent to the Lord. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.